Want to create a cinematic split text opening like this? Hi, welcome back to CapCut desktop tutorial for beginners. In this video, we're going to create a cinematic opening like the preview you saw earlier. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial. First, import a black background into the timeline. You can use either black image or black video. Make sure you set the video ratio and remove original audio if needed. Next, add text and customize it. Then apply an animation to the text. Here I'm using slide right and adjust the duration. Match the text duration with the black clip. Then export the video. Open a new project. Then import main video or photo and the exported text video. Place both clips in the timeline. Select the text video. Then go to basic. Change blend mode to multiply. Then add split mask. Go back to basic. Then add 2 keyframes at the middle and at the end. On the last keyframe, move the video downward out of frame. Duplicate the text video. Then go to mask, select reverse. Move the last keyframe upward out of frame. Now play to preview the result. And that's it. You've successfully created cinematic split text opening. In the next tutorial, we'll learn another cinematic opening effect. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.